A financial crisis may come in 2026, but the real shock is not this. The shock is that rich people are already prepared and ordinary people are still unaware. But the question is, if a crisis comes, then what plan do you have? Or will you also be among those who will panic at the last moment? And what I am about to tell you now, most people never know. A simple question: if the economy crashes tomorrow, can you survive financially, or will everything be lost? A normal person gets a salary, saves, and thinks everything is safe. But are savings really safe? Or are they the first to disappear in a crisis? And this is where rich people are different. But what exactly do they do differently? Secret number 1. Rich people don't hold cash. They buy assets, property, investments, businesses. But is every asset safe? History says some assets double in a crisis, and some become zero. So how do rich people choose? Secret number 2. They don't depend on one income. They have multiple income streams. But what if all income stops? Here is the game changer. Because rich people don't have income, they build systems. But how are systems built? Secret number 3. They calculate risk. They limit loss. They keep backup. But why don't ordinary people do this? Is it laziness? Or is the information hidden? Now the most dangerous question. Will there really be a crisis in 2026? Or is it just fear? But what does history tell us? Before every big crash, warning signs come. But why do people ignore them? Debt is increasing. Inflation is unstable. People's purchasing power is decreasing. Is this normal? Or is this the start of the crisis? And if this is the start, how dangerous can the end be? There are two people in a crisis. 1, those who panic. 2, those who profit. But what is the difference? Knowledge, timing, or mindset? And the most important question, which side will you be on? If you are not prepared, then the crisis is a disaster for you. But if you are prepared, then this crisis can become an opportunity. But how to start preparation? Is saving enough? Or is investment necessary? Now imagine, 2026 has come. The economy is shaking. People are panicking. And you? Are you prepared or confused? Now the decision is in your hands. If a crisis comes, what will you do? Write in the comment. Save, invest, wait. And if you want rich mindset, financial secrets, smart money moves, then subscribe to Secret World of Money.